Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate ko, Beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin for Capi. Tingnan po natin kung ano yung message na mapipick up natin for you, Capricorn. And then later, gagawin ko rin yung message para sa cross-watcher natin. We have the 10 of Wands, the 8 of Pentacles, the Magician, the 8 of Swords, and the 7 of Wands. Bottom is the Ace of Cups. Okay, Capi. Ace of Cups. May bagong love, no? This is a new love coming in. And I think you've been wanting this, no? Itong bagong pag-ibig na to, iniisip mo. You've been thinking about this na sana dumating na siya. And you wanted it na talagang totoong love. With the King of Cups, this is an energy coming from a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. You want this love to be real, yung totoo. No, iniisip mo to na itong bagong love na to, if you've been dealing with a water sign, na sana dumating na siya, o bumalik siya, take it as it resonates. Kasi iniisip mo palagi, no? You've been thinking about this love from this person. Now, with the 10 of Wands, yung card mo dito kasi, Capi, parang ano ka na tama na, you've been burdened to carry this type of work. I think you've been very burdened, no? Nababurden ka na sa type of work na ginagawa mo. Kaya medyo pagod ka na. You're very tired kasi hardworking ka rin, no? You're such a hard worker, Capricorn. Minsan to a point na sobra-sobra na. Do alam ko naman ang gusto mo kasi is just to achieve yung stability, that feeling of security pagdating sa resources o sa pera. Kaya you work very hard, which is okay lang, no? Talagang lahat naman tayo nag-aim doon. Kasi ang iniisip mo lang naman is yung future, which is a very good thing. Minsan you don't know when to stop. Kasi ang work, hindi nauubos yan, no? Hindi, lagi siyang andyan, available and waiting for you. Ikaw ang medyo napapagod, no? Nangihina. Kaya, kailangan, alam mo rin na paano balansehin yung sarili mo, no? When to say no. Kasi with the Magician, binigyan ka lahat ng pangangailangan mong tools, no? Para ma-fulfill mo tong dream mo na maging stable ka or secure financially. But somehow, yun nga, sabi ko, you should know how to use itong mga tools na to properly para makatulong to at makagaan kahit papano sa ginagawa mo sa pang-araw-araw. Kasi, di ba, kasi kung busy ka palagi sa work, paano papasok yung love, no? May time ka pa ba dito? Kasi ang nangyayari, parang ginapos mo na yung sarili mo sa trabaho to a point na you are so protective of your work, of your resources, of your money, na nakikita ko parang you don't have any more time for to enjoy your life, to enjoy somebody in your life na alam mo yun, to share with yung lahat ng naiipon mo o yung perang na-acquire mo. Kasi eventually, kung isipin mo, nga, you have all this money, resources, beautiful things, property, lahat, no? Pero kung ikaw lang lahat mag-i-enjoy niyan, di ba malungkot? You need somebody to share it with, na parang, alam mo yung masaya ka na meron kang kasama na mahal mo sa buhay at mahal ka din, para ma-enjoy nyo yung pinaghirapan mo sa buhay o yung pinagtrabahuhan mo. Kasi parang ngayon nakafocus ka lang talaga sa pera eh. You're just working and working and working. Very protective ka pa nga eh, pagdating dito sa ginagawa mo. And yet, at the back of your mind, you're thinking about this new love. No? Here, you're thinking about this new love with this person, with this King of Cups. Diba? Pinapangarap mo yun, pero parang hindi mo mabigyan ng pagkakataon o aksyon. Tignan natin, bakit andito yung 10 of Wands? At andito yung 10 of Wands? We have the 3 of Wands, the Queen of Swords, and the Emperor. Bottom niya is the Princess of Pentacles. Ayun kasi, bagal nga eh, no? Ang bagal kasi ng energy mo eh. No, with the Princess of Pentacles dito, yung paggawa mo o paghanap mo ng bagong love, hindi mo agad magawa. Kasi nga, ang iniisip mo kasi dito, is palaging to be on top of your game. To be, kung gaba the leader. Kung boss ka, no, Capricorn. Kasi dito yung Emperor ay, maybe you are boss. Meron kang katungkulan sa trabaho o meron kang say sa trabaho. Lalo na kasi kung gaba, you make sure everything really work according sa plano mo, sa management mo, kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve na goals para sa department mo. Diba? Talagang at anytime, no, hindi ka magdadalawang isip para putulin o alsin yung mga taong talagang hindi won't make or won't give you any positive output para ma-achieve mo nga yung goal mo. Pag hindi siya okay, aalsin mo. Hindi ka magdadalawang isip. When it comes to work or having this relationship, gusto mo kasi ikaw yung nasusunod. So you have this controlling energy, no, Capricorn. Gusto mo ikaw yung nasusunod, namumuno. Okay? Bakit andito yung 8 of Swords? We have the 4 of Wands, the Princess of Wands, and the Prince of Swords. Bottom niya is the King of Cups. So yung love na to, parang hindi mo muna pinapansin at hindi mo talaga binibigyan ng halaga, no? Kahit daw gusto mo talaga na eventually you want somebody na talagang would lead to this marriage proposal, or eventually somebody that magsisettle down ka with, o makasama mo pang habang buhay, that would give you that passion, yung kailangan mong passion with this relationship. That will be very honest to you. Very truthful to you. Parang sinara mo lahat ng possibility na to dito sa person na ito. Kasi you've closed yourself, no? Sinarado mo yung sarili mo dito sa tao na to na magbibigay sa'yo nito. Yung passion, yung truth, yung something, yung plano to be with you for the rest of your life. Alam mo yun? And then, but andito yung 7 of Wands. We have the 2 of Cups. The Tower. And the 4 of Swords. Bottom niya is the 5 of Pentacles. So, pakawari mo, no? Very protective ka dito sa ginagawa mong work. Kaya, itong 2 of Cups, no? Yung the possibility for you to have your soulmate nawala with the Tower. It's gone. And you've been thinking about this, no? Iniisip mo mabuti. Nawala siya. Kasi, with the 5 of Pentacles, hindi mo na bigyan ng nararapat na importansya. No? Parang binaliwala mo kasi. You didn't give time for this. You didn't pay any attention dito sa person na to o sa relationship na to. You just took it for granted. No? Kasi ang focus mo nga is work. Focus mo is to earn more, to be secure. Yun yung focus mo eh. Okay, so tingnan natin doon sa person mo, Capi. Ano yung nararamdaman ng person mo o person ni Capi towards Capricorn sa ngayon? We have the Ace of Swords, the 8 of Wands, the Devil, the Page of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. Bottom is the 8 of Swords. So, pareho kami 8 of Swords na, di ba? Yung person mo, Capi, ito yung nararamdaman niya na wala nang pag-asa, no? Everything's been tied down as well. Tied down dito sa yung dream, sa kanyang dream na maging kayo. No? Maging kayo kasi ito yung star. Yun yung wini-wish niya pero parang malabo. Malabo kasi hindi niya makita, no? Your person could not see the possibility that it could be the two of you sa future. Hindi niya makita yon. O hindi niya na makita na pwedeng mangyari. Kasi with the Ace of Swords, gusto lang naman niya, no, na maging truthful sa'yo. Totoo. Totoo lahat yung kanyang sinabi o naramdaman o pinahiwatig. Gusto niya ng maraming communication with the 8 of Wands. Mag-usap, no? Be able to talk. To have this conversation. Para ma-clear out lahat ng mga bagay na dapat yung i-clear out ng pag-usapan, no? Kasi with the Devil energy, this is energy coming from a Capricorn. Again, this is your energy. I wanted to check kasi, no, with you. No, pag-usapan natin, ano ba yung mga bagay na to na naghihinder, kung bakit hindi tayo matuloy, kung bakit may pag-hold back. Is it all just because of work? Money? Ano ba? May problema ba tayong dalawa? Meron ba akong ginawa na hindi tama? Your person wanted to know, no? Capricorn. Gusto niya i-clear out tong mga negative energy na to. This thing that is stopping this relationship to pursue or to move forward. Kasi with the Page of Cups, para sa kanya, I started right, no? Nag-offer ako ng love with you. Pero wala rin eh, 'di ba? Parang walang nangyari. That's why with the Wheel of Fortune, things will change. Sabi ni Universe, sabi ni God, I see, nakita ko yung ginawa mo. And don't worry, I will make things work. I will change everything. Tingnan natin. I'll just go straight dito. Or maybe, okay, check muna natin. Ba't andito yung Devil? We have the Four of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Moon. Bottom niya is the Queen of Swords. So, sa katotohanan lamang, the devil energy, ikaw yun, no? Queen of Pentacles is definitely energy coming from either you or a Virgo or a Taurus. Maraming bagay na hindi nga alam with the energy of the Moon. This is energy coming from the Pisces. Marami kang hindi alam o hindi clear sa'yo pagdating dito sa this proposal or this plan to be with this person, no? Copy. Yun yung mga bagay na pinag-iisipan ng person mo. Malabo eh. Hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari. Ang plano ko is for us to be together. Magsama kami, no? To be in union, to be the person that I'll be marrying or getting old with. Kaso, hindi eh. Hindi ko nakikita. Maraming malabo. Maraming tinatago. Maraming sikreto. Maraming di sinasabi. That's why I'm wanting, sabi nung cross-watcher natin, gusto ko makapag-usap tayo para ma-clear out natin ang mga bagay-bagay. Magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa pagdating sa honesty, communication. Okay? But andito yung Wheel of Fortune. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups, and the Five of Wands. Bottom niya is the Fool. Okay, so yung magiging change, no, ang pagbabago dito sa person mo. Dahil naramdaman nga niya na parang binaliwala mo siya, copy, o nabaliwala ka, is you will be given this option. In cross-watcher natin, you are given this option. Yun yung change, no? O mamili ka ngayon, bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon, pumili ka ng iba. Huwag mo muna isipin si Capricorn. Ang dami dyan, no? Choose one. Choose two. Choose three. I am giving you that opportunity. Yan yung sinasabi sa inyo ng universe or ni God. I'm giving you this opportunity to choose what you want. Kasi nga, hindi mo nakuha dito sa person mo kay Capi. But you have to be mindful kung ano yung pipiliin mo kasi it might bring conflict. It might bring confusion or competition. Diba? Kaya, yun eh. Maging mindful ka rin. Hindi lahat maganda. No? Mababago siya. But you have to be mindful. Okay? So, yun yung advice key sa person mo. Sa'yo naman, Capi, is of course, it's really your decision, no? Kasi you wanted this relationship. But you've been thinking about this. Pinag-iisipan mo pa rin. Pinag-iisipan mo. Do alam mo kung anong ginawa mo. Alam mo kung bakit nawala yung person because hindi mo siya binigyan ng importansya. Which is here, the same thing. 5 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. It's the same thing. Naramdaman niyo ng person mo. No? Alam niya, hindi mo siya binigyan ng importansya. Kaya, siya nawala. Diba? It's up to you kung anong next move. Kasi, ang sinasabi naman dito sa person mo, be mindful kung ano yung pipiliin mo kasi hindi siya maganda. So, there is this possibility na baka mas mapasama pa siya kung pumili pa siya ng iba. What I'm saying is maybe there's something for you and your person. You just need to work out itong differences na to para maging maayos yung relationship. You know? For you to learn the lesson. Ikaw, aware ka naman eh. Aware din naman yung person mo. You know, what is needed here is yung judgment card natin to give you that second chance. Pangalawang pagkakataon to look at this relationship on a different perspective, no? Sa ibang anggulo. Tingnan natin, why don't we try it again? Kasi alam na natin ngayon kung anong saan tayo nagkamali. And we try to correct that. Kasi kung andito naman yung love, no? Andito yung love. Bakit, hindi natin bigyan ng pangalawang pagkakataon? Ano yung advice? New love. Embrace an opportunity for love in your work, prospects, or for spiritual growth. Okay. Action speaks loudly. Express your love through actions. Yes. Diba? Kasi kung di ka nga nagbigay ng aksyon. And forgiveness. Nothing is gained by holding on to past disappointments. Yeah, tama. So, if you can forgive, take it as it resonates, copy and cross-watcher. If you can forgive kung ano nangyari in the past and make it work again, umaksyon. This is what copy you should be doing. Put action. Kasi hindi mo binigyan ng action before eh. And forgiveness, maybe in the part of your person, then you will have new love, no? Itong bagong pag-ibig na magiging mas maganda para sa inyong dalawa. No? Something more fulfilling kasi alam nyo na yung pagkakamali. So you can correct that. And, start anew. And you move forward. So I hope nakatulong ito sa iyo, Capricorn. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.